And I also love my Laifen blow dryer. Don't make fun of me. I was feeling myself today. Whenever you see me using a blow dryer on TikTok or YouTube, it is this blow dryer. I love it so much. Let me tell you actually something. I haven't told anybody this. I haven't even told Laifen. When I first got this product, I honestly thought there must be something wrong with it. This is like a fourth of the price of all competing brands on the market that are up to par with Laifen. Second of all, this blow dryer is better than any other blow dryer I've used thus far. It is lightweight. It is sexy. It is sleek. It is powerful. It is so quiet. It dries your hair so quickly. This blow dryer will blow dry your hair faster than ever before. The technology built inside this is so innovative. If we take a look inside this thing, it is like a work of art. Like, it is just incredibly well made. You can be sure if you drop this thing once or twice or a few times, it's not gonna break. Like, it is heavy duty. It is ready to withstand anything you put it through. It has a majorly long cord, and it has this beautiful piece. When you wrap up the cord, you put it around and you put this thing through that thing, and the cord stays together. For people with OCD like me, keeping my cords organized and looking beautiful at all times is so important. This thing is beautiful. The shine, the luster of the product. This blow dryer is also not matte, so I don't have to worry about getting color stuck in it. It also lights up in beautiful colors as you blow dry the hair. This blow dryer is also great for everybody that's in today's video because this blow dryer will reduce damage on your hair significantly. It has a mode where it actually rotates through cool, warm, and hot settings. That way your hair never overheats and you never experience breakage. You have different kinds of pieces for diffusing, precision blow drying, as well as rough drying. Plus, it's in this sexy color. You can also see the other colors this blow dryer comes in with the link right down below on Laifen's website. Now is the time to elevate your hair game and look hot as hell.